In today's video, I'll show you how to install mods for Resident Evil Revolutions 2. Check my video description for this mod manager download link. Once download done, check my video description for this mod list. Choose the mod you like to install. Only few mods are having here. I'm gonna install this DLC's restoration for gun, and I'm gonna install these two dress for Claire and Barry. Once you download the mod you like, right click on the Fluffy Mod Manager and select WinRAR and select Open with WinRAR. Right click on the game and select Open File Location. Right click on the blank area and select New. Select Folder. Name this Mod Manager. Press Enter. Open the Mod Manager folder. Drag and drop all these Mod Manager files inside. Once you drop this, just go back and open modmanager.exe. Select Run option. Choose game to scroll down and find the Resident Evil Revolutions 2. Choose game folder, choose the game install folder, navigate to the game folder, select the game folder and select folder option and select OK. Select the mod list and now go back to downloads. Drag and drop the mods we downloaded. Turn on the mods you like to use. It's simple to disable, just turn it off. And it's simple to uninstall. Select this trash icon to delete the mod. Once you install the mod, just minimize and launch the game. Once you are in game, go to main, special setting, costumes, change the costumes. This is the one we added. Same thing for Barry. It's the one we added, DLC. And now just close tab here and I show you guys in game. As you can see, the mods are working. I hope this video helped you. If the video helped you, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. Thank you.